Hello guys, welcome back. So sorry I've not posted for a long time because the market is just going sideways between 20 to 18k and there's nothing much to talk about. But I want to share to you my strategy on the upcoming market. Obviously you know that the macro level of this economy is going to be bad. The Fed cannot print money anymore. We might see Bitcoin drop even further. But here's the good news. Bitcoin might, in the short term, it might go up first, okay? So you can see here, this is CME futures for Bitcoin. You can see there's two gap in stocks, okay? This is called gap down. Usually this gap will be filled, but the problem is we don't know when this gap will be filled. So maybe, okay guys, just maybe it might go up to here. So this is the first target, 28,000, or it might go up to 35,000 before it come crashing down, or it might just go sideways forever and go down below. And why do I think Bitcoin will still go down is because I watch the macro economy, and someone like Gareth Soloway, he mentioned that BTC might go down even to 3.5k, but his support level is around 12 to 13k. I will play a clips here so you can listen to him.
Bitcoin forecast, let's go. 6K was your last downside. What are you sticking to that? So first support is 12 to 13,000. I think in the near term, we're going to see a little bit of a bounce, then a wave down to 12 to 13. And then I do worry that you're going sub 10 to 8, maybe even worst case scenario, 3,500. 3,500, very small percentage, but that would be the equivalent of Amazon.com's collapse in the .com era if it were to equal that.
So there are three people who I listen to: Michael Saylor, Gareth Soloway, and the other one is Kevin Oleary. For Kevin Oleary, he mostly one policy. He said that Bitcoin need policy in order for it to bounce, okay, to reverse.
They are never going to make a move against the SEC in any way until these rules have been determined. So we are being kept out of institutional capital, and Bitcoin is not going to trade above $22,000 until we get policy.
And go up, have like big investment company to go into Bitcoin. So those are the three people I follow. And sometimes I also watch Coin Bureau. Especially if we are new, guys, we must educate ourselves more and more about crypto. So definitely those four channels are the one that I recommend. Now I want to share to you also an indicator that I just found. I think it's quite okay. The indicator is not bad. You can see there is this Rsi Divergent Indicator with alerts. Okay, you can just go to indicator and search for Rsi Divergence Indicator with alerts. Okay, this one by J Tradings. You can see the divergence. When you see bull here, for example, okay, let me zoom a little bit. You can see if you notice there is a bull, so you might open a long position. And also if you see bear here, right, this is divergence, so you can open a short position. Same thing here, says bear. With this indicator you can set an alert. You can click on this three dot and then you can add alerts. So you can set a bear alert, you can set a bull alert, and then you can send an email. So when your phone rings, you receive an email from this alert. You can open either short or long positions. So this indicator, again, you can back test it, see it for yourself. I mostly only use for hourly and daily to see the indicator. You can also set the settings. The default RSI period is 14, but I changed it to 2. So that's the indicator part. Now, what would I do with my money, okay, if I were to invest in Bitcoin? So here's my strategy. What I would do, guys, let's say right now what I do is that I 50% I bought Bitcoin. Right, I have 50% of my funds. I put it into BTC. Okay, so this is the scenario if the BTC keep going down. Okay, let's say if BTC keep going down from now 20k keep going down to, let's say, 12k. So this is 20k. Right now I already have BTC. I bought like 50% of my funds. So what I would do, the rest of 10%, 10%, 10%, I will put it, every 2k. If it go down to 18k, I will put 10%. If it, go down to 16k, I will invest another 10%. 14k, another 10%. So I slowly dollar cost averaging, guys, if it keep going down. So most of my money, okay, like 40%, 30 to 40% is in USDT. I just put it in earn or USDC, whatever. This is like my ammunition, right, to do averaging. Maybe 10% I do for trading, for futures, for bot, whatever. But majority of it I put it in BTC. I have some in Ethereum as well, maybe like 20-30%. But let's say just BTC in this case. That's the scenario for if the price keep going down. Okay. But what if the price goes up? Well, this 50% I won't regret it. Okay, at least I have 50% in. If it goes up to retest. If it goes up to retest this level, 28k, maybe I will sell half of it, half of this 50%, I will sell it. Let's say if it goes up to 35k, then I will sell the other 25%. But if, it just go up here and then go down, I will just leave it. Okay, I just sell the 25%, the 25%. Maybe I'll just leave it floating loss, whatever. But at least now I have more fun. I have 75% of my funds. If it goes down, then we'll do slowly dollar cost averaging. So that's my strategy. I don't put all in. Mostly I still have cash sitting there. And also every month I kind of put 3k. Okay, I kind of put 3k and then I trade sums and using the indicator. I just practice it. Practice with like $100, with $1,000. I just practice it. Maybe 10% I just practicing, trying new indicators and using the bot. But the majority I put in like BTC and just waiting. And again, you can use the dual investment trick, okay, to buy low or sell high. Okay, use dual investment if you want to milk the most amount of money. I've talked about dual investment on my other video. So basically that's my whole strategy, guys. And I already shared to you the indicator that I just recently tried. I try a lot of indicators, guys, every day. I kind of watch all those YouTubers. They claim to have like, 70-80% win rate. I mean, they all bullshit, man. At the end of the day, you want to backtest it your own. Try it with real market, guys. Don't using backtest. Actually try it, live with the live chart. I think backtest, looking the past chart is literally broken. It's not effective, and a lot of it are fake. So make sure if you want to try it, backtest it with the real-time trading. Okay, try it with small money. If you find the one that is working the best for you, keep it and keep using it if it works the best. Again, when we want to trade, look at the macro level. Right, pay attention to the macro level as well, and you should be good to go. Okay, if Bitcoin is what you believe, if crypto is what you believe, decentralization is what you believe, I think this is literally the best strategy that I personally use. And every month I putting money, and what I focus on is making other YouTube channel, make money online, focusing on businesses. Investment is just a small part of wealth creation. You don't have to keep looking at the chart. So that's why I use alerts. If you keep looking at the chart, it's going to be stressful. So yeah, take your time, guys, and make a solid plan.